Have you ever paused in the middle of reading, rubbed your eyes and wondered, are they getting weaker? Between the ages of 40 and 60, our eyes start showing the signs of life's journey: blurred vision, dryness, and fatigue. But here's the good news. Simple eye massages can improve blood flow, relax eye muscles, and even slow age-related decline. Today, I'll share 5 proven eye massage techniques backed by experts in ancient wellness traditions. Imagine ending each day with clear, refreshed vision. It's possible. Stick with me, and by the end, your eyes will thank you. I still remember my mother at 45, holding her reading glasses further and further away. She would laugh and say, "My arms aren't long enough anymore." Science calls this presbyopia, a natural stiffening of the eye lens. Combine that with more screen time, and eye strain becomes a daily struggle. According to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, gentle massage can increase circulation, nourish the optic nerve, and relax overworked muscles. These techniques are not magic. They're practical tools you can start today, no matter your vision level. Let's dive into the first method, inspired by ancient Chinese acupressure. Place your index and middle fingers on the bony ridge just under your eyebrows. Gently press and make small circular motions, working from the inner corners outward. This stimulates acupressure points known as BL2 in traditional Chinese medicine. Believed to relieve tension, headaches, and improve eye focus. Spend about 1 minute in slow circles. You might feel warmth. That's increased blood flow. Remember, your goal is gentle stimulation, not deep pressure. Think of it as whispering to your eyes, "Relax, you're safe." Try this before bedtime to release the day's eye strain. Rub your palms together briskly for 20 seconds until they feel warm. Close your eyes and cup your palms over them, without pressing on the eyeballs. Breathe deeply for 30 to 60 seconds. This palming technique, popularized by the Bates method, soothes the optic nerve and helps your eyes rest in complete darkness. It's like giving your vision a mini vacation. This is perfect after long hours on the computer or when your eyes feel dry and gritty. You might notice colors seem sharper afterward, a sign your retina got a boost of oxygen-rich blood. Using your thumbs, start from the center of your forehead, just above your nose bridge. Glide your thumbs outward along the eyebrow line, applying light pressure. Repeat 5 to 10 times. This movement eases tension in the frontalis muscle, which often tightens when we squint. A relaxed forehead means less subconscious strain on your eyes. Some ophthalmologists say releasing surrounding muscle tension can help with mild eye fatigue and headaches. Pair this with a few deep breaths, and you'll feel a wave of relaxation spread from your eyes to your mind. With your ring fingers, because they naturally apply less pressure, gently tap along the under eye area from the inner corner outward, following the orbital bone. This technique improves lymphatic drainage, which can reduce puffiness and refresh tired-looking eyes. It's also calming for the delicate skin here, which thins with age. Use this in the morning with a drop of eye cream for both beauty and health benefits. Think of it as waking up your eyes from the inside out. Close your eyes and imagine tracing a slow, perfect circle with your pupils. First clockwise 5 times, then counterclockwise 5 times. Follow this with 10 slow, complete blinks. This movement massages the tiny muscles inside your eye, improving coordination and flexibility. A 2019 optometry study found regular eye exercises can enhance tear film stability and reduce digital eye strain. Do this during breaks at work. It takes under a minute and leaves your eyes refreshed, as if you've just stepped away from your screen for hours. In this portion, You guide viewers step by step through all 5 techniques in real time, blending breathing exercises, soft storytelling about life after 40, and moments of stillness so viewers can follow along without rushing. The background features calming music, warm lighting, and subtle on-screen captions reminding of each step. This creates a meditative, spa-like session where viewers feel both physically and emotionally refreshed. As we age, our eyes carry the stories of every sunset we've seen, every book we've read, every loved one we've looked at. Caring for them isn't vanity, it's gratitude. These 5 massages take just minutes, yet they can make a lifetime of difference. If you found today's session helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who's always rubbing their eyes, and subscribe for more health tips tailored for life after 40. And remember, your eyes are the windows to your soul. Keep them bright, keep them strong.